far?
Right there.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Tell me what you see. Look around and tell me what you see.
At the moment, I see like this thing looks like a temple. And it's like, if I walk forward, well, I'm not really walking forward in this thing, but if I look down, there's something that says mute, store, and a main menu. But now I'm going to the entrance of this place.
What's it look like?
It's basically back to where I started, though. If I walk, will I run into anything?
Yeah, I would be really careful. I hear traffic.
I know, because I'm close to Central City, I think.
That's a sofa. Does it help to sit down?
Yes, very much.
What kind of things do you see, and is it like real, or what's it look like?
It looks totally real.
Yeah?
How am I even laying on the sofa?
You're laying on the sofa, but where are you in the headset?
Like, I was raising it up. If I sit down, it's like scary. If I sit down.
Why is it scary?
Shit. Holy shit balls. I can't see my own legs. Okay.